No matter how much we like to deny it, genetics have a far greater influence on who we are than anything else. The children of great athletes tend to be great athletes themselves. And unfortunately, some people who never smoked a day in their life will fight the same heart disease as their parents. Then there's habits. Sometimes we can learn good ones from our parents, like flossing. Other times, kids mimic the bad ones, like smoking. I see it also with money. Most of us use vehicles like the 401k plan to save for retirement. It seems logical because contributions are usually made in a pre-tax manner. Deduct your contributions now, but pay tax later when you withdraw the money. The conventional wisdom is that taxes during retirement will be lower. But how logical is that? With the aging of the baby boomers, over 20 trillion in debt, and absolutely no appetite among politicians to cut spending, do you really think we'll see tax rates stay low forever? What if we actually see them rise? Then we'd be withdrawing from our 401k and IRA at an even higher rate than when we saved the money. Even worse, this tax bomb of 401ks will be transferred to your kids, no genetics necessary, forcing them to pay even more tax than you. The rotten tax fruit doesn't fall far from the tree. But it's not all doom and gloom. Steps can be taken now to minimize the potential tax on your retirement accounts. Yes, you can live tax-free during retirement. No tax on your savings, no tax on your Social Security. More money for you and less chance of going broke. We show people these steps using our WARP system. And we design a strategy that removes speculation about taxes. Even if Congress doubles rates someday, 2 times 0 still equals 0. Don't make high taxes the most memorable feature you give your children. Along with your mom's eyes, your Aunt Alice's hair, leave them one thing you both cherish: 0 taxes. Arrange a call by going to talktoroy.com or just go on my website and click the appropriate button.